Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the baseline. Open settings, battery, and note current percent in top apps. You need that reference. Next, turn off radios you don't use, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, via quick settings to stop needless scans. Once done, enable adaptive battery and set background limits for rarely used apps so the system learns patterns. Make sure to set power saving to medium for now. This reduces CPU clocks and sync frequency without crippling the phone, which helps you see real improvements. You now target the middle of the problem. Examine app-level battery use and either restrict background activity or uninstall apps that show abnormal drain. For location, change permission to while using to drop GPS time. Next, increase email and social sync intervals so they poll less frequently and reduce widget refreshes. Make sure to update the system and all apps, bug fixes matter, and clear cache for apps that misbehave. Once done, if drain persists, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party culprits and observe battery behavior. You finish by calibrating and validating. Charge to 100%, use the phone until it nears 0%, then charge uninterrupted to 100% to help reporting accuracy. If software fixes fail, back up and perform a factory reset, then restore selectively so rogue apps don't return. Once done, monitor for 48-72 hours. If you still see rapid drain, make sure to test in safe mode again. If the issue remains, contact Samsung service or consider a battery replacement. Hardware faults can mimic software drain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.